हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कविता क्लासेस। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक नया टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ। आप हमेशा ये देखते हैं कि आपसे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए तो आप उसके आंसर में सिर्फ 2 या 3 ही रिस्पॉन्स कर सकते हैं। हम आज आपके लिए ऐसे पूरे 22 रिस्पॉन्स लेके आए हैं जो आपको पॉजिटिव वे में भी बताना है और 22 आपके नेगेटिव वे में भी बता सकते हैं। हमने देखा कि अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि हाउ वाज द क्लास और पार्टी, कि आपका क्लास कैसा था या फिर आपकी पार्टी कैसी थी, तो आप उसके आंसर में किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्स कर सकते हैं ये हम आज देखेंगे। इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको आगे आने वाले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस टाइम पर मिलते रहें। सो लेट्स बिगिन। हाउ वाज द क्लास, पार्टी। पॉजिटिव वे में हम रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं नाइस। हाउ वाज द क्लास, एक्सीलेंट। हाउ वाज द क्लास, फैंटास्टिक। हाउ वाज द क्लास, इट्स बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशंस। इट्स बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशंस का मतलब होता है उम्मीद से बढ़कर। नेक्स्ट, हाउ वाज द क्लास, ऑल नाइस पीपल। How was the class? It's been good arrangement. How was the class? Good gathering. How was the class? It was a superb idea. How was the class? We want more like this. How was the class? This removed my hesitation. This removed my hesitation इसका मतलब है कि ये मेरे संकोच को खत्म करता है। How was the class? It increased my confidence. How was the class? I don't want to miss next. How was the class? I'm waiting for the next one now. How was the class? We had a good time. How was the class? I can't explain how nice it was. How was the class? I made many new friends. Next, how was the class? I'm very happy to join this. How was the class? The concept was excellent. How was the class? It's really very different. How was the class? That's great. How was the class? This is what I was looking for. How was the class? It was outstanding. So ये थे हमारे पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स। अब आगे नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स देखते हैं। How was the class, party? First, just disgusting. Just disgusting. How was the class? Very poor management. How was the class? Very disappointing. How was the class? It was so bad experience. How was the class? No comment. How was the class or party? All idiot people. How was the class? Discouraging. How was the class? Just waste of time. How was the class? Poor crowd. How was the class or party? Mean-minded people. How was the class or party? Don't talk about this. How was the class? It was so bad. How was the class or party? Go to hell. How was the class? It was very poor so. How was the class? Poor planning. How was the class? No quality at all. How was the class? I wonder why I came here. How was the class? How narrow thinking. How was the class? I shall never come to this place again. How was the class? It was without preparation. How was the class? I had never expected it so disappointing. How was the class? I feel sorry for myself why I came here. Thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं मेरे अगले वीडियो में.